Really important to heat the paint before you roll the guard, because if you don't, you're going to crack it. So you've got to get it to the right temperature and then gently roll it around, otherwise you'll end up damaging your paint. There's a fair chance we're going to damage the paint here anyway, because it's fucking been rubbed on with the wheel. So you're going to go real gentle. If you're ever going to have big wheels on your car, you should just roll your guards. You cause real damage. Like I had to fix a customer's car where this bit here was completely folded out like that. That's what people don't take into consideration. They put these big rims on their car and they go, oh, I can fit my finger in there. Yeah, with no one in the car and an empty tank. If you don't have a heat gun, you can still roll your guards. You need to do it in the sun, in summer. It's really hot outside. First guard.
Would it even get hot enough?
Yeah, in the sun it would. Just. Guards I ever rolled, and I didn't heat them up. I was like, ah, it's a fucking gimmick. You don't need to heat your guards up. Crack the fuck out of all the paint.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Well, it was like, I thought you heated it up for so it bent.
No, it's just so the paint bends.
Right.
Yeah. Because paint's solid, you know, so you need to heat it up to the point that it's able to flex. Yeah. Important to put a jack underneath your hub, otherwise you're just going to push the hub down, not bend the gun. Right, well this side's all rolled. Take this off and set it up on the other side. You can see that that's all rolled now, and that damage at the front's all fixed.